Hello, my name is James. It is with great honor to bring you these wonderful manifestation techniques. I did another video discussing the same steps. This is different, but the same. By me engaging in these processes, I'm etching this into my subconscious mind. Like doing affirmations. Let's get started. Today, I have a lecture that was written by Neville Goddards, in 10 easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Understand your focus. Before taking action towards manifesting your desires, it is important to understand your focus and know exactly what it is you are wanting to bring into your reality. Spend some time getting clear on the type of life you want to create and the reality you wish to experience. Step 2. Believe and affirm your desires. Now that you have an in-depth understanding of the desires you are wanting to bring into reality, it's time to believe, affirm, and internalize your desires. Act as if your desires have already been met and practice positive affirmations throughout your day, every day. Step 3. Take action. No matter how much you are believing, affirming, and internalizing, you still need to take action to manifest your desires. Find practical and tangible steps you can take to move forward, no matter how small. Step 4. Be open to possibilities. Be open to whatever the universe sends your way as you continue to take steps towards reaching your desired goal. Consider everything that comes your way, even if it doesn't seem immediately connected to your desired outcome. Step 5. Be detached. It is important to maintain a level of detachment from the outcome as it relates to manifesting your desires. This doesn't mean you are without hope or that you are expecting one thing and hoping for another. It simply means you are surrendering to the process and allowing the universe to work with you. Step 6. Stay positive. Maintaining a positive attitude and outlook is a must when trying to manifest your desires. Negative self-talk or continuous worry will only work against the manifestation process. Sometimes the best way to stay positive is to simply focus on the process, not the outcome. Step 7. Stay committed. No matter how hard it may seem at times, stay committed to the process. This commitment will be rewarded with positive results. Step 8. Believe it will happen. Believe that your desired outcome will happen and take steps towards it every day. This will help keep you focused and motivated on your desired goal. Step 9. Visualize your desires. An important part of the manifesting process is to get creative and really visualize your desired outcome. Spend time each day visualizing the life you want and how you want it to look. This can help keep you connected to your goal and help keep the momentum going. Step 10. Give thanks. Manifestation is a very powerful process and should always be treated with respect and gratitude. Take time every day to give thanks for the things you have, no matter how small. This will help to keep you feeling positive and will act like a magnet for more abundance in your life. Practice, 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 and then practice some more. Please click on the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and like it if you did. Thanks for watching.